What's up guys and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you guys best server Discord for dropshipping and e-commerce. So guys, the first server that I have, it is Ecom Warriors. And this is a good and popular server Discord for dropshipping and e-commerce. As you can see here, the website, this server have 69,000 members and with an almost 10,000 online. So guys, this server Discord offer a free and paid resources that servers and success. You have a free private supplier to boost your dropshipping store, and you have a business and marketing strategy advice for your success, and you can collab with your channel, have courses available guys, and the strategies method to find for example winning product. And this server efforts give away Discord for free tools and software and pay conversions with e-com experts and a lot of things. You can access extensive free supply product catalogs and ability to promote your product and services our community. So this is guys the first Discord, and it's popular on this Discord server. The second Discord guys that it's green commerce. This have 21,000 members total, and with this Discord server guys offer drop service and drop shipping and POD and all resources guys. And this is a rating of this Discord server guys. As you can see, this is a rating with a lot of a great server to learn from. As you can see here, people are share guys, people share comment, good comments guys. This is good indicator to choose this Discord on the best servers on dropshipping and e-commerce. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon.